Yet more problems with the X380 with loose bearings, lousy clearances, etc. This is the main blade grip. Now we couldn't figure out why, even though we shimmed all the bearings correctly and everything else, why was the blade grip flopping up and down? Well, the bearing's actually loose in the grip, right? And you can just see it here, right? Look at that. Slop, 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 slop. The bearing's not tight in there at all. It's just a fall through fit. So it doesn't matter how you shim, tighten, do whatever, the bearing's actually not tight in the blade grip. So it's always just going to flop around, cause all sorts of blade tracking and everything else problems. So the problem is actually the blade grip. Bearing bore is too big. It's actually just a loose, sloppy flit. So Jesus, ALZRC, you need to get your fucking act together. This is just crap. This whole X380 helicopter is a pile of shit. Every bearing block, everything else, blade grips, tail shaft, main shaft, everything is loose, floppy, sloppy. Just a pile of crap. So guys, do yourself a favour, X380, stay way clear. It's just going to give you no end of grief with vibration and hassles because of all the sloppy machining. Poor fit. Avoid like the bloody plague.